snowfall is so heavy that it blankets Europe, turning beautiful vistas into winter wonderlands. Nature's wrath interrupts everyday life everywhere it appears, from the icy roads of Germany's highlands to the historic streets of Moscow covered in 28 centimeters of snow. Come along as we explore the terrifying story of Oliver, a unique tropical hurricane that wreaked havoc and presented difficulties throughout the center of Europe. Stay tuned for Natural Disasters, Snowstorm. In Europe, December, a compelling tale of how communities fight against the elements. The force of nature revealed. Winter storms are defined as wind events that correlate with precipitation types, such as snow, mixed snow, rain, or freezing rain, that only happen at freezing temperatures. These storms can occur in late fall or early spring in temperate continental and subarctic areas rather than just during the winter months. A blizzard is a snowstorm that meets specific characteristics, such as having strong winds and other elements. When humid air rises into the atmosphere, low pressure develops close to the ground and clouds ascend into the sky, forming winter storms. Large mountains or hills can also force air upward. Lift is the name for the upward action. The wind gathers moisture from vast quantities of water, such as the ocean or a sizable lake. A temperature of 0 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees Fahrenheit, near the ground and above in the clouds will result in precipitation falling in the form of ice pellets, snow, sleet, rain, and snow mixed, or even graupel, soft hail. The total amount of precipitation will be lower at lower temperatures because cold air cannot store as much moisture as warm air. Storms that dump a lot of snow are known as snowstorms. Because it is difficult to drive and maneuver school buses on slick roads, even 2 inches (5.1 centimeter) of snow can cause major traffic and school transportation problems. This is especially true in areas where snowfall is a rare occurrence but can yet accumulate to significant levels. Smaller snowfalls are rarely disruptive in areas where snowfall is common due to efficient snow and ice removal by towns, rising usage of four-wheel drive and snow tires, and greater acclimatization of drivers to winter driving conditions. Snowfalls of more than 6 inches (15 centimeter) are typically disruptive everywhere. Snow accumulation can make driving a car extremely dangerous. When there is snow on the road, there is less friction between the tires and the road, which makes a car less maneuverable overall. As a result, during periods of heavy snowfall, average driving speeds on public roads and highways are lowered by as much as 40%. German regions are feeling the full force of the icy, snowy winter, especially in the southern region of the nation. The German Meteorological Office has issued severe weather warnings for many federal states due to the combination of icy, wet snow and strong winds brought on by the low temperatures. The current weather has seriously disrupted transportation, resulting in many accidents in eastern Germany because of the slick roads. A school bus accident claimed the life of a schoolboy in the OR Highlands, with numerous more suffering injuries and being sent to the medical facility. The overnight rains have also left several other routes in the Saxony Highlands blanketed in ice. Traffic jams have been caused by northern Germany's slick roadways and persistent precipitation. Rescue activities are under progress in certain locations as a result of traffic congestion in Hamburg and northern Lower Saxony. Hamburg's municipal railroad runs either very little or not at all. In certain parts of northern Germany, meteorologists have predicted snowfall of up to 15 centimeters. Moscow is seeing an unparalleled level of snowfall. Snowdrifts are predicted to reach up to 28 centimeters in a single day, 4 times higher than the established norm for early winter, according to meteorologists. Oliver, a rare tropical cyclone, is the reason it originated in Europe. In the natural world, these cyclones happen once every 2 to 3 years. Visibility has dropped to 900 meters as a result of the blizzard. Experts also point out that the capital has rarely had such a strong snowfall in a century, saying that this level of snowfall at the start of December has never occurred. Snow continued falling throughout the night and into the morning. The city has issued a degree of weather threat due to the increasing wind. Ice covers the roads, creating slick conditions and slides. The work mode for city services has changed to one of increased intensity. Undoubtedly, the extreme weather has had an impact on daily life in the Russian capital. The average speed of cars in the city is 26 miles per hour because of the snowfall. A historic snowstorm pummels Europe. Experience nature's power on everything from frozen highways to snow-covered streets in Moscow. Join us to read more engrossing stories about how nature is transforming the planet.